Hello everyone, I would like to review this rolling backpack that was gifted to me by the brand to make an honest review. First, let's talk about the design. It has a really nice soft blue color that feels calm and clean. Rolling backpacks are really nice to reduce the weight kids carry, and this one is definitely helps with that. The wheels roll smoothly and they are surprisingly very quiet, so they are not making that loud annoying noise you sometimes hear with cheaper ones. The handle is adjustable too, which is important because kids grow fast. It's easy for them to pull and it feels sturdy enough for everyday use. Build quality is actually pretty solid. The material feels durable. It's made with the thicker fabric that should hold up very well over time. The stitching also looks reinforced, which is a good because backpacks go through a lot. Opening, closing, being tossed around, all of that. Another thing that I like is that the shoulder straps are padded and the back panel is breathable. It's very comfortable and won't put too much pressure on your kid's back. Storage wise, it has plenty of space. It has the main compartment for books, also has front pockets for school supplies and side pockets for water bottles or an umbrella. It's simple but practical. It comes as a full set, which is very nice bonus. You get a matching lunch bag with compartments so everything stays organized and a rain cover, which is actually really useful. It fits well over the backpack and stays in place so everything inside stays dry on rainy days. Overall, I think this is a really practical and reliable choice for school. It combines style, durability, and functionality, and it makes carrying heavy books a lot easier for kids. I highly recommend this product.